Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Fold it and press it. Open it up. Now again fold it and press well. Press it well. Open it. Turn it back. Now fold it downwards and press well. Now fold it inwards, forming a triangle. Press it well, equalizing the corners. Now fold it to the top corner, forming two triangles, collectively a square. Again fold from one side into a leaf shape. Repeat this step from the other side and press well. Turn it and fold a leaf type shape from one side. Press it well and repeat the step from the other side. Done. Open it a bit and fold it and press. Again from the other side, repeat the step. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now fold the wings of the plane to add some details into it from one side and then the other. Press it. Now fold the wings to add detail from this side and then the other. And it's done. See you in the next video.